Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a custom property for the birthday field. So it is already a property on the HubSpot, but the problem with that is that it is text based. So what I mean to say by that is, for example, if someone enters 0106 2004 or someone enters 16 2004, so it will be difficult for you to track. So for that you need to create a custom property. So on the top left you will see a settings icon. You need to click on it, and here when you scroll down in the data management options you will need to click on properties, and then here click on the orange button create property. Here I am going to select the group contact information. I'm going to label it birthday date, and in the field type I will select date picker, and here you can see that it is totally based on calendar, so there will be no room for error. You can add it to your workflows, forms, etc. So again click on next and click on create, and there you go, your property has been created. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.